my name is Sean. I'll be teaching you how to make elephant toothpaste. This is a fun experiment to do if you're bored. Plus, it's a great opportunity to learn about science. These are the ingredients that you need for this experiment. 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide, a 32-ounce bottle, a couple drops of dish soap, food coloring, 1 packet of yeast, 3 tablespoons of hot water, measuring tools, and safety goggles and gloves. First step of making elephant toothpaste is get your hydrogen peroxide and pour it into the bottle. Then you add your dish soap. If you pour too much dish soap, it will be too foamy. Then you add your food coloring. If you tilt it like this, it will make stripes. Then you get your yeast and you pour it in a small cup with your hot water and mix. Then you get your mixture and pour it into the funnel in the bottle and watch the foam form. But what is the science behind this experiment? Yeast contains a catalyst that breaks down the hydrogen peroxide into gas and water. The oxygen gets trapped by the dish soap and you got foam that squirts from the bottle. This is an exothermic reaction. An exothermic reaction is when there is little or no heat used but generates heat during the experiment. Warning, do not touch the foam.